CBSE makes CCTV cameras mandatory in all affiliated schools. IIT Bombay launches certificate course in cybersecurity and software development. Bengaluru schools switch to healthier snacks amid CBSE and ICSE advisory. Education Ministry drafts bill to form Unified Higher Education Commission. HBSU and Team Lease launch Maharashtra's first BSc and Business AI. Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the Central Board of Secondary Education has amended its affiliation bylaws 2018 to mandate the installation of high-resolution CCTV cameras with audio-video recording in all key areas of school campuses. This includes entry, exit points, classrooms, corridors, labs, libraries, playgrounds, and more, excluding toilets and washrooms. Recordings must be stored for at least 15 days. This aligns with NCPCR's safety guidelines, emphasizing both physical and emotional security for students. The CBSE stressed the need for collaborative responsibility involving staff, contractors, and visitors. This move aims to enhance vigilance, curb threats, and ensure early detection of safety issues, formally turning earlier recommendations into a compulsory affiliation condition for all CBSE schools. IIT Bombay has introduced two professional certificate programs, cybersecurity and software development, via its trust lab under the CSE department. Open to working professionals, students and faculty, candidates can earn a certificate by completing any 3 approved courses in a track. Courses cover cryptography, network or web security, MERN stack, Django and Docker. Teaching follows a blend model with video lectures, weekend live sessions and lab works. Final grades include a proctored in-person exams for 75% and continuous assessment for 25%. Certification is flexible and valid for up to 2 years. Applications are open via Google Forms and require academic transcripts, SOP and proof of programming skills. IIT Bombay's certification carries a high industry credibility. Bengaluru schools are revamping tuck shop menu following CBSE and ICSE's advisories to curb sugar consumption among students. High sugar and processed foods like cakes, chips and samosas are replaced with healthier options like makhana, roasted peanuts, dry fruits, yogurt and whole fruits. At GPS North, the Student Council is driving gradual menu changes with calorie analysis, while schools like Navik's Education Center are replacing festive sweets with dry fruits. St. Joseph's Boys High School is phasing out sugary snacks through vendor collaboration. Presidency School has intensified awareness with health talks and assemblies. This Health First initiative follows rising cases of type 2 diabetes in children, with broader warnings of related risks like obesity and poor academic performances due to high sugar intake. The Ministry of Education is drafting legislation to establish a Higher Education Commission of India, a unified regulatory body for higher education. Minister of State for Education Sukanta Majumdar informed the Lok Sabha that this move aligns with the NEP Policy 2020, which promotes a light but tight regulatory approach to ensure transparency, efficiency and autonomy. HECI will feature distinct verticals for regulation, accreditation, funding and academic standards, replacing bodies like UGC, AICTE and NCTE. Initially proposed in 2018, the idea has regained momentum under Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. The NEP stresses overhauling the current regulatory setup to modernize India's higher education system and meet global benchmarks. Dr. Homi Baba State University, in partnership with TeamLease EdTech, has launched Maharashtra's first undergraduate program in Business Artificial Intelligence. The BSc in Business AI blends business fundamentals with applied AI skills and real world industry experience, aiming to bridge the gap between business leadership and data science. Delivered in a blended format, the course features expert mentorship, AI lab training, and project based learning across domains like marketing, finance, HR, and operations. It is also the first program in the state to offer academic credit for on the job training. Aligned with industry demands, this career integrated program reflects HBSU's commitment to innovation and employability. Applications are inaugural cohort are now open.